Looks promising. Hadn't had any rain in so long, but we got a promising looking sky. Raining back that way. It's raining to our west, out in the little town of Crawford, Texas. Definitely looking promising. Ooh, that's pretty. That was close too. And then you look back that way. Got a neighbor over there putting his tools up. We sure got a definite pretty looking sky. Can't really see the way I'm seeing it through this phone, but right over that house right there, those clouds right there are just as white under that front, but it just looks shady from here. Maybe it's just whited out, I don't know. Let's see if we can zoom it up and make it. No, you can't see the white. The white just not showing up. Like even right, well, I can't use my finger, but right where that little tip is, all of that clear space right there is white clouds is what I'm seeing. And then the same thing over this way, you can actually see some of them, but even below that, right at the roof line, is just white clouds. Enough of that. Let's zoom back out. Talk to us, Mother Nature. That's pretty cool looking. And then back that way, some pretty ominous looking clouds. Back here, back up, trip over nothing. Pretty much a 360 eye view, what I'm seeing. But that it looks like it's coming down pretty good over there. Like I said, back to the west is where it's coming from, the north and west. Here doing while I'm watching the storm. I don't know if you saw that lightning right there, but regulator went out on the window motor, and I called everywhere in town. They had to order the part for me. Won't be in until tomorrow. Ain't had rain in a month, and yeah, no rain in a month. Can't roll my window up. Now it's gonna rain, or at least it's gonna threaten. So I had to make it a little makeshift because this storm blew in pretty quick out of nowhere. So, but this is the old family truckster. You all ever seen National Lampoon's Vacation? They had the big green monster station wagon. Well, this is the Henry family truckster. So we got her all taped up, closed up. Hopefully won't get no water in her. Can't be mad at her. She made it to Florida and back. Boy, it sure looks promising. To be honest, I didn't mind doing all that taping. We need the rain. Here, little swallow, little Martin. You better get somewhere, buddy. Here's some more. Just don't see them. I don't know if you can hear them on the audio on the camera. Ah, there they are, flying right over the top of the neighbor's house. Anyway, that's about it for this. Well, most of the rain's passed by. It's still sprinkling a little bit. Luckily, my new phone is kind of water resistant there. My daughter's hiding on the other side of the van. Just wanted to come see how my tape job held up. She started it for me, and then I came out and finished it. Looks like we held up pretty good. Remember that sky I showed you earlier? There's still a few clouds up there, but looks like it's cleared out a lot. It's pretty blue through there. Right through there. And a little bit through there. And then that's that same roof where I was saying the white clouds were underneath. And looks like most of that's gone. Like I said, it's still sprinkling just a little. We have definitely been needing the rain, and we need more. We did not get anywhere near enough. But anyway, this is what the sky looks like now. I just thought I'd give y'all a quick look. It's about, feels like it's probably about 15 degrees cooler. Feels like it's trying to pick up again, sprinkling a little harder. All right, well, I'm gonna head back in. I guess I'll talk to y'all later. It's been about another 7 or 8 minutes. And look, I mean, the driveway's already drying up. We didn't get near as much as I'd like, but as you can see, there's still a little bit of clouds, a little bit of chance. It's really clearing up though. Burning off, pushing away, starting to warm back up. It's all gone that direction. Out to the east and southeast. But one more gander at the window. Looks like it's holding up pretty good. All right, well, let's see if I can zoom in on them clouds a little bit right there. It's amazing how much different they look to the naked eye than they do through this camera on this phone. That's another thing. I want to apologize for the quality of the videos. They're going to be on my phone for a while until I get me a GoPro or some other type of camera. And I'll start making some better videos. Anyway, I'll see y'all next time.